What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on power saving mode on your Android phone once your battery is low. Now as you can see, my battery is about 15% there, and whenever your battery start to get low, you will receive a battery notification that your battery is low on your phone. And as you can see, it says battery power 15%, and I can go ahead and I can plug in my charger, or I can turn on power saving mode. So I can simple tap on that, and that will take me into power saving mode. From here, you will see the option to turn on your power saving mode. At the moment, it's currently off, so I can just toggle it on, and that will turn on my phone into power saving mode. And here you can see that I have the power saving mode icon on the top of my phone. In order to also check this, you want to do a swipe from the top down. Then you want to do another swipe from the top down to see all of those applications here, or the settings on your phone, and you will see power saving check there, and it's currently on. And that's how you can easily do that, guys. Now once you have power saving mode turned on, you will be able to see how much time you have left on your phone. And as it says there, power saving battery life is 7 hours and 51 minutes. Now another way how to turn on power saving mode without having the option of your battery being low is by simply doing a swipe from the top down. And again, you want to swipe from the top down, and you will find the power saving mode option here within the menus. So you can simple tap on that, and it will automatically turn on that power saving mode for you. So there are two ways to go about doing this: doing it yourself manually, or whenever your phone battery is low, it will give you the notification that your battery is low, and you can jump into the power saving mode and turn it on by yourself. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.